right, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the what? That's the whole question. Okay. The Hehengda Toys Air Land Jump HHD H3. Now, this was sent to me like a year ago by I don't even know who. It just showed up at my door. I know a couple other reviewers got it. They knew where it came from, but I don't know where it came from. I never knew it was coming. It just showed up at the door, and it's been sitting in the closet for a year. So I figured, let me just get this thing out of the way, and I'll just take a look at it. But now, listen, I'm not messing around with this tank and this. I'm not messing around with this stuff. I'm just going to mess around with the quadcopter. Okay, so let's get it open and let's take a look at that. Alright guys, here it is out of the box. As you can see, it's like a modular design to where this was the base part of the unit right here. And then all the other parts would attach to this unit here. Like say, for example, the props. And they would snap in there like that. Now the red go in the front. You can put them in backwards. I mean, it's possible to turn this thing around and put it in the wrong way. But that's the way it's supposed to go. It goes with the red props in the front. And then the battery, which comes with two, will go in the back here. Right there. Comes with two 900 milliamp hour batteries. And believe it or not, I'm not lying, it has a camera. Okay, so we're going to look, and there it is right in the front there. See that little pinhole camera right there? That's it. And it does not move to my knowledge. I tried, wait a minute, yes it does actually. You just got to fart around with it a little bit. So before I fly it, I'm going to set that so we can get the right angle on it. So it'll be able to show some of the video. But there it is right there. Then to turn it on, it has an app, believe it or not. Here's the transmitter, and there's the phone holder. The transmitter is actually pretty nice, to be honest with you. Let's turn it on. There's the level calibration down and to the left. Now let's find the app. The name of the app is HHD UFO. It's easy to find on the at the store. There's a QR code in the manual, which is right here. So let's find the Wi-Fi signal. And there it's called Wi-Fi UFO. So you hit that. Let me wait till it gets logged in there. Okay. Scroll back over there. Wi-Fi, or no, HHD UFO. Hit start. And there it comes up on the screen. Actually, the picture looks pretty clear. I'll be honest with you. Let me get that in there for you. See? See that? So we're going to do a little flight with this, but like I said, I'm not messing around with that little car and all that other crap, you know, because I don't care about that stuff. There's the box over there on the stove. Okay, so let's just take this for a little flight and see how it flies and see what the video looks like. All right, boys, we're up here with the H3, and there it is. It's a classic. The little modular thing. Let's fly it around here a little bit and check it out. Let's start some video. So that works. Let's arm the motors and take off. Wow. Seems to fly pretty decently. I was actually kind of surprised. Let me bring it over here so I can mess around with the buttons a little bit. Okay, so the one here is the flip. I just wasn't sure if that one was the flip and the other one was the rate or what. Okay, I'm not sure what that does. I don't know if there's any rates on it or not. Okay, so I don't know. It makes it fly. Well, maybe it's a headless mode thing or something. Here, let me check it out. No. Whatever it does, it just makes it flash, okay? Yeah, it flies decent. This thing will probably be pretty good outside, actually. It's big enough to be able to take some wind and stuff. The video seems pretty clear, to be honest with you. I think it's pretty decent. Now the flips quit working for some reason. They quit working when I went down into the pool area there. Let me try that again. Okay. It's all right. Just the button's just not that responsive. That's all. Let me try that button again. Okay. I think this thing would actually fly decent outside, to be honest with you. I might have to take it up there to the office buildings and check out the range and stuff on it. Because it seems to be a little bit too sporty for in here, to be honest with you. It gets around pretty damn quick. Oh, I see what that is now, that button. It restarts the video. So that's what I was doing every time I hit that button. I was restarting the video, or stopping the video and restarting it. So what I'm going to do is just wind up putting the little video samples at the end of it instead of mixing them in. I'll just put the little flight timer in there. It flies really nice, guys. It handles really good. I'm really surprised. Really surprised. The only thing is kind of a bummer that doesn't have any rates. So that's kind of... But it's actually pretty fast as it is, just stock. You see how quick it is right there? Look at the pitch on that thing. Okay, so I'm going to put the video in the end because I'm a stooge and didn't pay attention to the button right there, so that's on me. Oh well. Not the end of the world. Let me see if these trims are working right. It's drifting a little hair over that way. Huh. I mean, this battery is pretty decent size. It's a 900, so... Yeah, this thing definitely needs to be outside flying. no doubt. I might have to make another trip with this thing. Get a little late out here. I'm gonna have to brighten up the video. So you'll be able to see. It's kind of getting dark in this area here. I'm really surprised at how good this little toy flies, to be honest with you. So the battery is still cooking. Should I fly out there? No, I shouldn't, because the drone will be gone. Once that wind catches it, believe me, it'll fly away. Adios, amigo. See, it's hovering there pretty good. I got some work to do up here before I open the pool. I fix some of these lights and stuff. This thing really flies good. Okay, I mean, I'm really surprised as hell. Trust me. Who knew, right? Who knew? Still flipping, and this section of the video has been going for 7 minutes. Okay, well, I'm going to cut this 7-minute and 30-second section of video just so we'll have it. This thing can't possibly go that much further. Okay? It's impossible. Oh, there goes the light. I knew it. And this has 2 batteries too, so. Great flight time on this thing, boys. All right, there you go. The H3. Wow, was that impressive for a damn toy. That thing flew for like 10 minutes. And the video, it's yellow, but what are you gonna do, right? That's a toy. All right, guys, there you go, H3. Have a nice day.